Yeah, the next step is to go out to all the parties that we've been talking to in the past couple of months, show them the final set of results and the data, and see if we can get a partner in on the project or monetize the asset.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by European Green Transition CEO Aiden Lavelle. Aiden, good to speak with you. You've announced that the final results for the Olserum Rare Earth Project, which has provided further evidence of the district scale REE system at Olserum. Can you give us an overview of the results from these final holes?
Hi, Stephen. Yeah, we've announced results for another 5 holes this morning. Just the last 5 holes that we have released. We've drilled a total of 13 holes across the Olserum West and Djupedal prospects at the Olserum project in South Sweden. And again, all 5 holes that we announced this morning have hit mineralisation, and we had actually 2 very good intersections. So one of the holes at Djupedal intersected 2.45 meters, grading 2.71% total rare earth oxide. That was in a much broader zone of about 22.5 meters at 0.68%, which is a good result. And then one of the holes at Olserum West, about 300 meters from the historic resource, also had 8.2 meters at 0.94% total rare earth oxide. And that again is comparable to intersections that are within that resource estimate, the historic resource estimate. So quite pleased with the results, and again they validate the exploration model, and we've shown continuity to depth of up to 150 meters in hole 5, which was the latest announced in the latest results, and also the deepest hole that we drilled at the project.
Aiden, what exactly does this mean for the projects when all the results are considered?
Yeah, it's quite positive. We've intersected mineralization and multiple mineralized structures across all 13 holes. So it really does demonstrate the upside to the project. We have a district scale rare earth system, multiple mineralized structures. We can see now continuity at depth and along strike based on the drilling we've done. So there's a lot of upside and potential to expand out mineralization and potential tonnage around those. And again, we've also de-risked the exploration model. And we also, based on previous work, we know that the metallurgy is positive as well, so we can generate a concentrate from this style of mineralization.
What do these results mean for EGT's plans to sell or partner the Olserum REE project?
Yeah, the next step is to go out to all the parties that we've been talking to in the past couple of months, show them the final set of results and the data, and see if we can get a partner in on the project or monetize the asset. We see a lot of positives. So not only have we sort of confirmed the district scale control here on the mineralization, but we have the positive metallurgy. We've really good access and infrastructure, and I think that it's as a potentially European rare earth project that is very significant. I think we'll get strong interest in this project.
Why are rare earth elements so important in the energy transition, Aiden?
Rare earths have unique properties, so especially 4 of these rare earth metals, 4 out of the 17 have supermagnetic properties. So they go into high efficiency motors, which are crucial components in wind turbines and EV motors, but increasingly used across defense applications, drones, medical and robotics. So they have a lot of uses. And about this time next month, we see Trump taking office with the potential threat of tariffs, which could affect rare earths, as China has a very strong control on rare earths processing. So we could see rare earths in the news a lot in early 2025, which might be very positive for a project like Olserum. And the EU has also outlined its aims through the Critical Raw Materials Act to boost local production and refining and processing of rare earth materials. So I think there's a lot of potential catalysts for a project like Olserum, and we hope that will sort of help highlight the project potential as well, and the value of the project.
Aiden, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress on that front. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen.
That's Aiden Lavelle, the CEO of European Green Transition.